Today we have the India's most favorite off-roading machine with us, the Mahindra Thar CRDE. So let's quickly check it out. The Mahindra Thar happens to be an amazing off-roading machine and will put a very big smile on your face. But today we are driving it on the roads just because this isn't a normal Thar. This happens to be a modified Mahindra Thar, and today we will be showing you how punchy and powerful this machine is to drive on the roads. So this Thar has been upgraded with an SSD cat downpipe, BMC air filters and a spider tuning box which increases an overall of 35 horsepower. So currently this off-roading machine actually produces 140 horsepower, which is simply phenomenal. And believe it or not, this off-roading machine definitely shines on the roads as the same way it does while off-roading, and it feels very punchy to drive. And the stock Mahindra Thar used to generate 215 Nm of torque, but this modified Thar actually generates close to 300 Nm of torque, which is absolutely stunning, and the grunt from this motor is simply phenomenal. So as you can see, this Thar is currently doing 140 km/h without any strain, and another thing is to be noted that this machine has abilities to be pushed even further and can do more than 160 km/h, which is so much of what you can expect from this off-roading machine, and I'm really impressed on the way this off-roading machine drives. The stock Mahindra Thar actually takes 21 seconds to go from 0 to 100, but since this Thar has been tuned, it can accelerate in just 15 seconds, which is really quick for a car which weighs 1750 kgs. And the heart of this machine happens to be a 2.5 liter inline 4-cylinder CRDE engine, and the stock Thar actually produces 105 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque, whereas this Thar produces 140 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque, which makes this machine an amazing both off and on-roader. And another thing that I really like about this vehicle is its amazing road presence. You sit in a very high commanding seating position, which gives you a proper feel of driving an off-roading SUV. And this Thar is definitely a head turner and seeks everyone's attention on the road due to its massive size and stunning road presence. And believe it or not, this Thar seeks attention of people on the road more than what any other premium cars like a Audi, BMW or a Jaguar car does. And that is the main highlight and success of this iconic off-roading machine in the Indian market. And the suspension setup is really good while off-roading, but on the roads it feels very bouncy at high speeds, and also the refinement levels aren't that great either. There's a lot of diesel clatter sound coming inside, and also the soft top makes a lot of noise while doing triple-digit speeds, and the clutch is on the heavier side and the gear shifts aren't that smooth, so there's some amount of effort needed to shift the gears. The brakes are really good and offers great stopping power, but there's a lot of nosedive on offer since this is a very heavy car. The Mahindra Thar shines really well on off-roading, and this machine can go anywhere and everywhere without any struggle. And this Thar has an humongous 500 mm of water weighting capacity, and trust me, this vehicle has water weighting capacity of beyond 500 mm. And this is the most iconic and favorite off-roading machine in India, and this machine simply shines on its off-roading capabilities. This vehicle has 200 mm of ground clearance, and the higher suspension setup in this car performs really well on articulation. And you don't have to worry about the bumps and potholes and bad roads since this car simply excels and glides over with an ease. And the ride quality is simply amazing while off-roading and while doing articulations at lower speeds. In terms of design and looks, the Mahindra Thar is simply stunning and looks masculine in each and every angle. And the boxy design of this vehicle adds to its SUV characteristics and looks phenomenal. The overall length happens to be 3920 mm and the wheelbase happens to be 2430 mm, and the short wheelbase really helps this vehicle while off-roading. The wheels of this vehicle happens to be 235/70 R16 inches, and the rubbers are actually aftermarket. These are MRF tires and they offer very good grip. And this Thar has been fitted with Garuda winch and an LED focus light at the front, which also happens to be an aftermarket. The front seats are actually comfortable to an extent, but the interior fit and finish isn't that great. You can actually see a lot of hard plastics around, and the quality of the materials used in the interior isn't that good. Luckily, the rear seat isn't placed facing sideways, and it is placed as normally on what you can see in other cars, and this seating arrangement gives you a lot of leg room than the seats which are faced sideways. But rear seat isn't the best place to be seated, since the ride quality for the rear seat passengers wouldn't be comfortable as it will be very bouncy on high speeds. The soft top can be opened by the zip on both sides, and can be rolled over and buckled up in order to keep it open, and the rear door opens sideways along with the spare wheel which is fitted on it. So as said, the NVH levels inside the cabin aren't that good, and there's a lot of wind noise coming from the outside since this happens to be a soft top and it makes a lot of noise while doing triple digit speeds. And there is no steering feel and feedback on offer, and you can feel a numbness in the center position of the steering wheel. And this car misses on a lot of features, and it doesn't even get a center locking, which you would definitely expect at this price point. And in terms of safety, this car has no airbags on offer, so you have to drive like a real man and die like a real man. But trust me, the build quality of the exterior is really good and feels very rugged for sure. And the main competitor of this vehicle is the Force Gurkha, but this Thar has a stunning road presence and a muscular SUV design, which is definitely a head turner, which you don't find that on a Force Gurkha. And this vehicle has various options to modify depending on your needs. So the current generation Thar is priced around 11 lakhs on road Chennai for the base model and 11.9 lakhs for the top end ABS model. So I would suggest you to buy this vehicle if you are a dedicated off-roader and want a vehicle with bold stance of which it gathers people's attention. So that's all everyone. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.